Opening statements in Indiana's most high-profile murder trial begin Friday. Suspected killer Richard Allen is on trial for the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017. Their bodies were found near the Monon High Bridge on Valentine's Day. Now, it's been a busy 3 days since the jury selection began Monday in Fort Wayne. The 12 jurors and 4 alternates will be sequestered through the entire trial. We know they'll be in court Mondays through Saturdays. They'll have supervised visits with families on Sundays, and all communications and activities will be supervised as well. Meals, lodging, and transportation will also be provided. Jurors are also prohibited from reading or watching anything related to the case. Also today, Special Judge Fran Gohl approved a motion on the defense's Odinism theory, as it won't be coming up during this trial.
That's right, Nick. Judge Gohl did allow those arguments to be heard after a verdict is reached, only during the appeals process if it gets there. She will allow the Odinism theory to be heard, again, during the potential appeals process only. With that move today, an appeals court could be allowed to review the judge's decision on the matter. It's been a busy few days in Fort Wayne, and now the trial moves to Delphi for opening statements on Friday. The jury selection giving us a clearer picture of the arguments that both sides plan to make over the next few weeks. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid walks us through the details that we've learned so far.
So true crime definitely influences how people think about different crimes, and frankly, sometimes they think they're a lot more interesting and a lot less mundane than they actually are.
On Tuesday, defense attorney Andrew Baldwin told prospective jurors the prosecution has, quote, no DNA, no fingerprints. Hair was found in Abby Williams' hand that doesn't belong to Richard Allen, unquote. The prosecution repeatedly asked prospective jurors if they need to see DNA evidence or have a murder weapon to get a conviction.
Important for people to have realistic expectations of both the prosecution and the defense attorneys. You can't be necessarily thinking everything's going to be CSI and solved in 30 minutes.
Carroll County prosecutor Nicholas McLeland said an unfired bullet found at the crime scene links Allen to the murders. McLeland claims Allen left behind a bullet, quote, with distinct marks. Court documents show a search warrant of Allen's home revealed a gun that matched the unfired bullet, but defense attorney Andrew Baldwin called the interpretation of bullet evidence, quote, a bunch of bunk.
Andy Baldwin is a very experienced lawyer who knows that throwing out some of these nuggets to prospective jurors might really interest them and maybe even get them on his side early on. So it's a good thing for him to throw out those little nuggets that sort of may raise some doubts already in their minds.
The defense also asked if prospective jurors could look past incriminating statements. Allen allegedly made 60-plus confessions during phone calls with his wife and others from inside prison. The defense claims he was in mental anguish in solitary confinement, and that prompted his false confessions to murder details that didn't happen and other murders that never occurred.
Some jurors are definitely taking into account mental health and saying that there could be reasons that someone suffering from psychiatric issues might say something that's totally not true.
It's very risky to use those kinds of statements. Might make some look at the state's case as desperation to try to say that that's a confession. Again, you cannot confess to a crime that did not happen.
The trial is expected to last a month in Delphi, and it's a town that's been waiting for answers in this case for going on 8 years.
I think Delphi is ready for this to be over. It has been a long time. They're ready for this to be over. It's going to be a difficult month.
Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.